In primetime news this evening, test run. Entertainment industry given green light for trial reopening. A threat to all. More returning residents are disregarding COVID restrictions, increasing risk of spreading COVID-19. And water response. Government outlines more plans to deal with the drought.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, primetime sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what new measures could the government implement to ensure that persons who are placed in home quarantine obey the protocol?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.